Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back with another fantastic recipe, and I really want to apologize to all my viewers for being so late in uploading a recipe. I think it's more than a couple of months since I've uploaded it, and I really apologize. Today I have a very delicious recipe for you. It is cabbage with chana dal, and to make this I'm taking a quarter of a cabbage. Now my cabbage was really large cabbage, and I've taken quarter of it, and I have roughly chopped it. So there is no set method to chop it. You can use your hand to chop it, or you can put it in your chopper and do it. Now I'm taking some dry whole spices, which is carrot seed and cumin seeds, and these are dry powdered spices, which is turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and as you will see, coriander powder here 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and also I've added half teaspoon of salt, and I'm taking 1 chicken stock. If you're not using chicken stock, then you may add 1 and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, or as per your taste. And to garnish, I'm going to take 2 green chilies, large green chilies, and I'm going to chop around half a bunch of coriander leaves. Now these are for garnish, but I would really suggest or recommend you to use this in your recipe, because these are flavor enhancers and they really bring out the taste of your dish. So they're really enhancers, flavor enhancers, the real flavor enhancers. Moving on to making the dal itself, I'm taking 1 cup of chana dal. Now chana dal is nothing but the husked black gram. So that's what is the chana dal. And I'm just going to soak it. I've kept it soaking for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now in a pressure cooker, like you can see, I've taken some oil, like around a tablespoon of oil, and I'm adding these dry spices to it. With this, I'm also going to add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. What this does is it prevents the formation of gases in your body. So cabbage kind of produces a lot of gas in your body, even so does chana dal, and this kind of helps in preventing that. So I'm added that, and I'm adding my cabbage to this, and with this I'm also going to add my chana dal, and I'm going to add my spices, mix it around, and check the seasoning. If you can see the salt, how much, if you can check the seasoning, as in just say check the salt, if salt is good enough, or adjust the salt if you want, and add water to it, put the pressure, and that's it, it's done. It's that simple. Now the recipe is also available on my website, the written recipe. You can check that out. The link will be in the description box, and do go ahead and check out. You can find this recipe and all my other recipes on my website. So as you can see, I've added all my spices, and I'm just kind of sauteing it for a couple of minutes, and here I'm adding my chicken stock. Chicken stock is absolutely optional, but it brings out amazing taste in your, again, this is a flavor enhancer, and this dish tastes good even without the chicken stock. So if you don't have chicken stock, you can really omit it and just increase the amount of salt that you would add to this. Add the water, like I said, and cover it and let it cook. So I use a pressure cooker because it's faster. You can use any other way in that you prefer to cook, but it will just take slightly longer time. So I usually cook in the evening after I get back from work. So that's the reason why I always look out to be cooking it in ways that cooks faster. So after the first whistle, I have kind of lowered the flame so that I kind of control how it cooks, because in lower flame it'll cook better. So the whole thing, and it has taken me around 15 minutes or so, and another 5 minutes for the pressure to cool down, so around a total of 20 minutes in cooking time. You see, I've just mixed it around so that the dal and the cabbage kind of assimilates and disintegrates and forms into one. consistency. And here I've added the garnish, and there you go, your dish is ready. This is a really, really delicious dish, and it's a really great way to include cabbage in your diet. Cabbage is as a vegetable itself we don't like to eat, our kids don't like to eat, but this way it tastes delicious. And cabbage is available in Kuwait year round, and I really don't know what to do with it, so I come up with great dishes with cabbage, and this is one such dish, and I hope you will try and you will like it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.